This is Kate. She is taking biology, and she is loving it. Kate has always wanted to be a cool cat, but she could never figure out how. Now here's Kate in biology learning about hypertonic and hypotonic cells. What are hypertonic and hypotonic cells? Well, hypertonic cells are cells that are shrinking because there's a high concentration of solute outside the cell. Hypotonic cells may burst because there's a low concentration of solute outside the cell. So while Kate was learning these things, she reached for her chapstick. Then it hit her. She thought,
I can impress my fellow classmates with biological terms.
Kate decided to test this idea straight away.
Hey, Julie, do you need chapstick for your slightly hypertonic lips?
What you talking about, lady?
Oh, haha, never mind. I guess you haven't been paying attention in class, have you? Okay, so I may not become popular with my terms, but I'll become something better, a bio-nerd.
As the day went on, Kate continued with her biology nerdiness.
Would you like some chips?
I say no to empty calories.
Empty calories are foods with barely any nutritional value that contain a lot of calories and fat. Empty calories. Ooh, look at that. The new boy at school. I think Kate has a little crush.
Wow, we just connected like peptide bonds.
Oh, that Kate and her biological terms. A peptide bond is, as Wikipedia likes to state, a chemical bond formed between two molecules when the carboxyl group of one molecule reacts with the amino group of the other molecule. Uh-oh. What is this? The new boy majorly flirting with another girl?
I think my left ventricle just stopped functioning.
A non-functioning left ventricle is not a good thing. The left ventricle is a chamber in the heart that receives oxygenated blood, so sadly, no working left ventricle equals no life. But we all know Kate will recover. She's just a teenager with those crazy hormones. Look, she's already walking away as an independent woman.
Oh geez, that wasn't spicy meatball. So spicy me now have heartburn.
Yeah, that hydrochloric acid going up the esophagus isn't a walk in the park.
What? Hydrochloric acid? Esophagus? Walk in the park? What does she mean by this? Well, our stomachs break down proteins by using the digestive enzyme pepsin, which requires a low pH of a stomach acid, such as hydrochloric acid, and when regurgitated up into the esophagus, it causes heartburn. Let's see what Kate does to respond to the students' discomfort.
Here, I have some antacid to neutralize all that acid in your stomach.
Whoa, that Kate, she knows what she's doing. You see, Kate offered the antacid Tums because it's made with a basic substance called calcium carbonate, and that base helps to neutralize the stomach acidity. Oh no, it seems that one of Kate's friends is suffering from hiccups. Hiccups are quite common, but what are they? Wikipedia states that they are involuntary spasms of the diaphragm. What will our biology nerd do next?
Here's some good old quality H2O for that diaphragm irritation you're dealing with.
This girl is on a roll! There are many homemade remedies to stop hiccups, and one of those remedies is just to gulp that water down. Do not fret after hearing H2O. It is just the chemical formula of water, since its structure contains 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Now, what is this? Someone seems to be coughing up a storm. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Did they laugh while eating?
Your epiglottis just failed.
Why, thank you, Kate. You're real helpful.
Well, that guy doesn't appreciate biology. He doesn't know what a funky cartilage tissue that epiglottis is. It's attached to the root of the tongue and prevents food from going down the trachea when you eat. That is one helpful tissue. So Kate's educational biology field day is done. But tomorrow is a new day, filled with new experiences, new terms, and new situations. Can't wait to see someone suffering from lactic acid toxicity, or acidosis of the blood, or inheritance of low IQ genes, or...